Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove these screws. We're now going to go ahead and remove these 3 bolts from here and then the 3 from the back section. Next, we're going to be able to go ahead and lift the entire step pad right off and put that aside. Using a 10mm, we'll go ahead and remove this nut. There's one on the other side of it, and then there's going to be one in the middle, and then one towards the front of the vehicle. Using a 13mm socket and impact gun, you can go ahead and remove this bolt, and there'll be one for each one of these brackets, and then the brackets will be removed from the body. Put the bracket behind the body and put the bolt in with the washer and the lock washer. Just going to snug that up to hold it into place. You put one bolt through the front, washer, and the lock nut on the back side. We'll just get that started. We're going to do the same for the rest of these holes here. I'm going to get the rest of the brackets mounted using the same bolts for the chassis, and we'll continue that right through the side. Next, go ahead and get the side step lined up. The brackets are still loose, that way there we can go ahead and adjust the hangers as necessary. Just going to get some of these bolts installed by hand. I'm going to start in the middle and work our way outward. And move to the front next. Line this up with the bracket. And then for the rear. And then go ahead and use a 15mm socket and just snug these up to the chassis and go down the vehicle and get the rest of those. Using the Allen and the 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten up the smaller bolts and continue this down the rest of the mounting brackets. Using a 13 millimeter ratchet, go ahead and tighten these bolts up here. You want to go ahead and repeat these steps for the driver's side.